Introduce your baby to foreign language and build their brain power for language learning. Your baby is born a citizen of the world, capable of learning any language. But in just 8 months, they will only recognize the languages they've been interacting with. SmallTalk unlocks language potential. Using our egg speaker, baby can experience cultural lullabies and stories from mothers around the globe. Our library of recordings uses infant-directed speech, that sing-songy rhythmic tone that naturally delights your baby. With the SmallTalk pacifier, your baby asks for content, engaging and learning through play. The result is brain magic, the wiring of their brain with the building blocks of a new language, creating pathways that lead to lifelong benefits. Choose a language and we'll track your baby's progress along the way. Together, we create for them a bright, open future. SmallTalk, foreign language for babies.